How to uninstall Lensa app on Android. So, you have had fun with the Lensa Magic avatars and now it's time to free up your space on your phone. Installing it is easy, but here's a crucial step to make sure you don't get charged after you delete it. First, this is the most important, we need to cancel the subscription. Just deleting the app from the phone won't do this automatically. So if you have taken the subscription, please note you have to cancel it. For that, what you have to do is simply tap on the Google Play Store. It's over here, let's tap on it. Once you're inside it, just tap on the profile icon which is in top right corner, right over here, tap on it. And there you can see an option called Payments and Subscription. Just tap on it and go to the subscription. I haven't taken any subscription regarding Lensa, so it's not showing right over here. But if you have taken the subscription, what you have to do is you will see Lensa listed here. Go ahead, tap on it and you will see cancel subscription button at the bottom. Just hit that and follow the steps to confirm is yours all cancelled. Great. Now you can actually delete the app. Just go back to the home screen or the app drawer and find the Lensa icon. Let's go back and here you can see my Lensa right over here. Let's tap on it and that will provide you an option called Uninstall. Simply tap on Uninstall and tap on OK for the confirmation. And it's gone for good. And that's it. You have completely removed Lensa and its subscription. Was this helpful? Let me know in the comments what app tutorial you would like to see next. That's all for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.